So dear freshers, in the last class we have discussed regarding the different ISO terms, that is isotope, isobar, isostar, isodiapher, etc. So today we will start what is the meaning of that isoelectronic. Isoelectronic species. So what is the meaning of that isoelectronic species? So atoms, ions, molecules or molecular ions which are having same number of kilotons. So that may be atom, may be ion. Ion means that may be cation or may be anion. So atoms, ions, molecules or molecular ions, that may be molecule or may be molecular ions, they must have the same number of kilotons. That is known as isoelectronic species. We know cation, that is the positive charge species, that is produced by loss of electron. Anion, that is the negatively charged species, that is produced by gain of electron. So we have to calculate the number of electrons present in cations, anions, molecules or molecular ions. If they will be same, then those species will be treated as isoelectronic species. For example, Na plus, Mg2 plus, that is Al3 plus, or that is O2 minus, or we can take N3 minus, F minus, or we can take that is NH3, that is NH2 minus, or NH2 minus, or that is H2O, or that is H3O plus. So all these, or you can take that is HF. All the examples of that isoelectronic species. Then how to calculate the number of electrons in all these cases? These are the cations, these are the anions, these are the molecules, that is ammonia molecule, water molecule, HF molecule. These are the molecular ions, that is amide, NH2 minus amide, NH2 minus imide, H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. So all the examples of the that may be atom, for example, that is neon. So that may be atom, may be ion, cation or anion, may be molecule or molecular ions that contain same number of electrons, that is known as isoelectronic. Then how to calculate the number of electrons in Na plus? Na plus means sodium atom, it has lost one number of electrons. Sodium atomic number, that is 11. Atomic number 11, it has lost one number of electron. Magnesium atomic number 12, it has lost two number of electron, because atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons, number of protons. So 2 electrons lost means we have to subtract 2 from that atomic number. Then Al3 plus, that is 13 minus 3. So these are negatively charged species. Negative charged species means they have gained electrons. Oxygen atom, the atomic number is 8 plus 2 electron, because it has gained 2 number of electron. In the same way, that is 7 plus 3, that is 9 plus 1. So in all these cases, there is the presence of 10 number of electron. In the same manner, if we count the number of electron present in these molecules and molecular ions, NH3, nitrogen atom atomic number is 7, hydrogen atom 1, that is 3 into 1, that is 10. That is amide, nitrogen atom atomic number 7, 2 hydrogen atom 2, plus negative charge. Negative charge means it has gained 1 electron, plus 1, that is 10. Amide, this is your imide, that is nitrogen 7 plus hydrogen 1 plus 2 electron gained, that is 10. That is water, 2 plus 8, that is 10. Hydronium, that is 3 plus 8 minus 1, that is 10. HF, that is 1 plus 9, that is 10. Neon, that is atomic number 10, and if we take, that is your ammonium ion NH4 plus ammonium ion NH4 plus, that is nitrogen 7 plus 4 minus 1, that is 10. That is ammonium, nitrogen 7, hydrogen 1 into 4, it has lost 1 electron, cation minus 1, that 10. So all the examples where the species that contain 10 electron, therefore these are treated as, that is isoelotonic. So this is one example. I am giving another example, that is a task for you. You have to calculate number of electrons and we have to identify that is isoelotonic species. For example, this is a task for you. You have to calculate K plus, Ca2 plus, Sc3 plus, that is Cl minus, P3 minus, S2 minus, that is HCl, H2S, or that is PH3, or you can, that is your argon. Another example, for example, Cn minus and Co. So we have to calculate number of electron that is present in all these cases. So we have explained regarding the different isotherms. So if we will explain the gist point, same atomic number, that is your isotope. Same mass number, that is isobar. That is same number of neutrons, that is isotone. Same number of, that is electrons, that is isoelotonic. That is having same value of n minus p, that is known as isodiapher. So all the other terms that is related to element, but if we take, that is same number of electrons and atoms, they are having same number of electrons and atoms, that is isostar, which we have described, that is 1h1, 1h2, that is 1h3, or carbon 612, carbon 613, carbon 614. These are the isotopes. Isobar, that is argon 18, 40, calcium 20, 40. That is isobar. Isotone, that is having same number of neutrons, that is fluorine 919, or that is neon, that is 10, 20, 19 minus 9, 10, 20 minus 10, that 10. Isoelotonic, Na plus, Mg2 plus, F minus, F minus, that is O2 minus, N3 minus, etc. Already we have explained all these examples. Isodiapher, that is uranium 92238, that is thorium 90234, thorium 90234, that is they are having the same value of N minus P values, same value of N minus P. Isostar, that is your N2O and CO2, same number of atoms 3, but and also contain, that is 22 number of electrons. So these are the different terms, isoterms, that we have explained. So today again we will discuss some of the questions, because you are going to appear the exam on 25th of this month. So briefly I have to discuss certain questions, whatever that has been taught till today, starting from that element, compound, mixture, etc. We have defined that element, that is the purest form of the matter, which contains only one kind of atom, that is element. Which will be species that will be taken as elements, that is P4, S8, O3, graphite, diamond, all the examples of that element, that is the purest form of the matter which contain only one kind of atom. Diamond and graphite, they are the elements. Graphite, that is non-metal, that conduct electricity. That is non-metal that has the ability to conduct electricity, that is graphite. Better electrical conductivity, that is silver. Silver, that is having the better electrical conductivity. Liquid metal, that is Hg. Liquid metal, that is your Hg. That is liquid non-metal, that is Br2. Silver, that is having the higher electrical conductivity. Mercury, that is otherwise known as quicksilver. Quicksilver, that is liquid metal. Bromine, that is the liquid non-metal. This is having the better electrical conductivity. And in the entire period table, if we will explain one species, one element that is having divided of Newton. For example, hydrogen 1, that is atomic number 1, mass number 1. So number of Newton, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So protium, that is only the species where the number of Newton, that is equal to 0. That divided of Newtons. So these elements, or we can take that is compounds. Compounds we have already explained regarding the cations and anions. For example, potassium permanganate, K plus MnO4 minus. K plus MnO4 minus, that is potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Potassium manganate, that is K plus MnO4 2 minus, that is K2 MnO4, that is potassium manganate. Or you will take that is ferrous, that is Fe2 plus. Nitrate, NO3, 2 will be multiplied, NO3 minus 1, that is FeNO3 whole 2. Ferric nitrate, ferric Fe3 plus. Nitrate, that is NO3 minus, 3 will be multiplied. So the formula will be FeNO3 whole 3, that is ferric nitrate. Next we will explain regarding that is tear gas. Tear gas, that is CCl3NO2. Laughing gas, that is N2O. Producer gas, CO plus N2. Synthesis gas, CO plus H2. Already we have given these examples. So if we will take that is Mars gas, that is CH4. That is Mars gas, CH4. If we will take that is 20% aqueous solution of NaCl, that is mixture, that is brine. 20% aqueous solution of NaCl, that is known as brine. If we will take that is ethyl alcohol plus water, that is known as wine. That alcoholic beverages that we are taking. Alcoholic beverages, that is wine, that is the mixture of ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH and water, that is wine. Brine, 20% aqueous solution of NaCl, ethyl alcohol and water mixture, that is wine. Or if we will take the examples of that is acetic acid, 7 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid, CH3COH, that is known as, that is vinegar. Vinegar, that is we are using this vinegar during the cooking of foods. Or 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, HCHO, formaldehyde, that is formalin. Formalin, that is used for the preservation of the dead bodies, that is biological specimen. Formalin, that is 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, that is used for the preservation of dead animals, that is biological specimen. Vinegar, acetic acid. Brine, 20% aqueous solution of, that is sodium chlorides. Also, we have explained regarding some other names of this compound. For example, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half water. That is the formula for that, plaster of Paris. Then CaSO4 2 water, that is gypsum. NaHCO3, that is the formula for that, sodium bicarbonate, that is baking powder or baking soda. If we will take the mixture of that is NaOH and CaO, that is known as NaOH and CaO. We have explained soda lime. The mixture of NaOH and CaO, that is known as soda lime. So these are the different type of examples. For example, copper sulfate 5 water, blue vitriol, FeSO4 7 water, green vitriol, or that is potash alum K2SO4, L2SO4L3 24 water. So all they are the different type of examples. Other type of names beside these chemical names. For example, this is sodium bicarbonate, but that is named as baking soda or baking powder. So beside that chemical names, there are other names. We have to remember certain names, and also we are given the atomic number of the elements. Atomic number of the element having atomic number 24. Atomic number 24. You have to remember up to atomic number 30. Minimum you have to remember up to 30. So atomic number 24, that is chromium. Atomic number that is 29, that is copper. Atomic number that 27, that is cobalt, CO, small o, cobalt. And atomic number that is potassium 19, that is K, that is derived from the word kalium, Latin word. Uranium that is 92, that is derived from the word that is Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, that is Uranus, that is from the planets. The term U that derived from planets, K kalium, that is from Latin words, cobalt, CO 27, copper that is 29, chromium that is 24. Already we have given certain examples of this, that is IUPAC naming of these elements up to 130. You have written that up to 130. So beyond atomic number 110, we have given certain rules: 0 nil, 1 on, 2 bi, 3 tri, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, 9 n, and that is end in IUM. For example, atomic number 135. For 1 we have to write down that on. For 3 that is tri, and for 5 that is pent. So for 1 that is on, for 3 that is tri, for 5 that is pent, and that will end in IUM. So the name of this element, that is on tripentium, that is having the symbol UTP. If we take the atom number 130, what will the atom, that is symbol representation? 1 on, 3 tri, 0, that is nil, IUM, that is on trinilium, that is UTN. So these are the symbolic representation of the elements beyond atomic number 110 by using the IUPAC names. Also we will explain other examples of this kind. For example, atomic number 1 to 2. For 1 that is on, for 2 that is by, for 2 that is by, on, by, biome. 1 that is on, 2 by, 2 that is by, and that ends in IUM. Then symbol is UBB. They are the small. First letter must be in capital, the letter after that must be in small. So UBB. For example, what is the formula for that? Dry ice. Ice, that is water in the solid form. Water in the solid form, that is known as ice. But carbon dioxide solid, CO2 solid, that is known as dry ice. Water in the solid form, that is known as ice. But carbon dioxide solid, that is known as, that is dry ice. If we will take the example of that CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, but that is otherwise known as pyrene. Pyrene, that is dry ice, carbon dioxide solid. Then water solid, that is known as water solid, that is the composition for ice. Water solid, chemical composition, that is H2O, that is a physical change. Solid is changed to liquid, liquid is changed to gas, that is physical change. For example, conversion of solid, direct conversion solid to, that is gas. Solid to gas, that is known as sublimation. Sublimation, that is gas to solid, that is known as desublimation. Desublimation. So that is the example of that physical change. For example, burning of the coal, carbon burns with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. That is burning of the coal. Carbon burns with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. That is the example of that chemical change. This is burning of coal. Burning of this, that is gas, Mars gas, CH4, cooking gas, all the other examples of that chemical change. Ripening of the fruit, chemical change. That is melting of ice, that is physical change, because there is no composition change. Or if we take, that is burning of, that is wax, mark it, burning of wax and melting of wax. We have two processes. That is burning of wax, that involves, that is combustion, that is known as chemical. That is the example of that chemical change. That melting of wax, that is known as, that is physical change. Why physical? Because during this time there is no change to the composition of that wax, only solid form that is changed to, that is liquid form. But in case of burning of wax, that is burns in presence of that oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. So these are the different type of questions, and I have given you the question in my WhatsApp. I hope you have solved that question and go through that question and portion that has been taught to you. Dear students, you have to appear the exam on 25th positively. Special prizes that will be given to you, and the portion that has been taught you till today, that will come in that exam. And go through my channel, that is Padmanabh Mahapatra, Chemistry Point, that is through that YouTube and my WhatsApp, and you will find these questions, this type of questions, and hope you will do well. Best of luck. Thank you all.